be making Paddington's vanilla cookies. Let's start by making his signature hat. I'm using an edible pen to draw out the shape. Let's use orange edible pen so you can see better. If you want to see how I made the vanilla cookies without using cookie cutters, then scroll down to the description box. I will put the link down below. Let's get back to our cookies. I'm using a medium consistency icing to color it, known as the hybrid consistency. The hybrid consistency icing is thick enough to outline our cookies and thin enough to flutter. After the top part of the hat is set, I will fill in the bottom part as well. I fill it in two parts, so when it dries, you can still see there is two sections. Then I use the scribe to push the icing to the corner. Then I'm using white, yellow, red and dark brown gel food color to color Paddington's hat. Then I added some edible white gel food color to highlight the brim and the crown shape. To paint it only when it's completely dry. If not, the gel food color will mix with the red icing. Remember to tap your paintbrush onto the kitchen towel paper first, so you won't pick up too much color. Then use some dark brown to add some shading to the crown area and to the crease as well. Cookies. I got some sand color fondant here. Just roll it out and make sure it is nice and flat. Then put the template on top and cut out the luggage tag. Then take the sculpting tools to mark the stitching lines to make it look like real leather. Then use an edible pen to write your message. Let's make the strap. Then show it in the fridge for about 10 minutes to make it firmer. Then measure the width of the the strap can get through. Then using a cookie cutter to round off the corner. The sculpting tool to mark the stitching line around the strap. Then add some icing to stick it on top. I tuck some aluminium foil underneath to hold its shape. And add some water to stick it together. Look how this looks like real luggage tag now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see how I decorate the Paddington suitcase and marmalade cookies, then you can click on the video right now. And if you are not sure how to make those vanilla cookies, you can click the link in the description box. I will see you in my next video. Bye!